I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to make your Facebook friends list private using the Facebook mobile app. If you're someone who values your privacy and wants to control who can see your connections on Facebook, knowing how to hide your Facebook friends list is critical. By making your friends list private, you can keep your social circle more secure, avoid unwanted attention, and have greater control over your personal information. So if you're ready to take control of your privacy on Facebook, let's dive right into it. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. You'll land on your Facebook home screen. Step 2. Tap the menu icon at the bottom of the screen. The menu screen opens. Step 3. Tap the settings icon at the top of this screen. The settings and privacy screen is displayed. Step 4. Scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section and then tap How People Find and Contact You in this section. The associated screen opens. Step 5. Navigate to the Your Friends section and then tap the drop-down icon next to Who Can See Your Friends List. A Choose Audience window opens at the bottom of your screen. Step 6. If you don't want anyone else to see your Facebook friends list, tap to select Only Me. Alternatively, you can choose from other options such as to only make your Facebook friends list visible to people tagged as close friends or specific friends or friends except specific people. Your change will be applied immediately and your Facebook friends list will be hidden from the people you've defined anywhere people can access Facebook. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.